Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to fetch the author name for the custom post type. Now you can see that if I go to the materials, whose custom author name is Animal Planet. So how we are going to fetch this author name into your custom WordPress. So let's have a look. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So to fetch the author name, we have the methods that is called get author. So let's see whether it's gonna be printing or not. Get the author. So let's go to the code level, and here we have the title. Let's add the author also. Author name, get author, and echo display the author. Okay, let's try to upload it and check the author name. So here we go with the author name Animal Planet. Okay, basically we have added from in the content part, so let's make it like in the p tag also you can make it, but here the loop is coming from here. You can also make a break tag over here. Okay, so it should be showing over here. Okay, so let's see, let's try to upload it. So it comes with the title, right? No, it's come from with this one, with after the content you can see that, right? So this is the way that you can call the like the author name who have added this post, right? Another method is also there, so we will look into that one also using the author. So you can also mention the author also. So here we go with this one. Let's add this one, the author. Let's see, you can say that duplicate are there, so you can see that this way is also you can get the author name. Okay, you can also get the author name with the help of this post id, right? Get the post field post author, and you will get the post author id. So here it needs to be like the post id should be there, right? So the best way is you can use the author name, get the author and the author. Okay, so this is how we are able to fetch the author name of your custom post type. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.